Hi guys, Miguel here. I would like to show you our latest model. It's the Lee Hines Sweepette 28 inches in span, around 71 centimeters, and a flying weight close to 50 grams. What makes this model different is that the wings are CNC milled and both the tail surfaces and the elements of the fuselage are cut with a laser cut machine. When we were kids flying hand launch gliders, we faced two problems: either a crash following a bad launch, or if you were lucky enough, the model caught a thermal and you eventually lose the model. So we've attacked these problems using an electronic timer programmed to 1.5 minutes, and also with RDT function. So if you have a bad launch, you just have to push the button, the model is saved. So you can go and fly another day. We hope you enjoyed the model and feel free to contact us with any questions.